Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can secure your node-red instance with HTTPS, which is running as a container in Docker. First, we start with the installation of Red-Node. Here it is important that you install Red-Node as a container with a host directory. Only in this way you will be able to access the file system later. Copy the first command and paste it into your Docker instance. You will see that it is failing because the root Docker user has no access to the home path. But in the home directory, the folder for node-red was already created here, as you can see. To enable the root user to access the home path, we need to change the permissions with chown. But before we install it again, you need to remove the Docker container because the name is already reserved from the last installation attempt. Now the installation should run without a problem. I'm now checking shortly if my installation of node-red is working. Go into the node-red directory and use the provided commands to create a certificate and key. Next step is to create a password hash for your password. Copy your generated password hash. We will need it in a second. Now we have to adapt the settings for Red-Node. Scroll down to the admin auth section and uncomment the lines. In the password section, enter your generated hash. Further down, also uncomment the lines at HTTPS and enter the path of the certificate and key like shown here. With /data in front of the file path, you can access the node-red directory. Then uncomment the line require HTTPS. We are now going to stop the container and start it again. Now when you go to your local IP, you need to put HTTPS in front of the IP address. Now you can log in with the user admin and the previous created password.